I'm led astray, Professor. It's got to change, cause I know you're unhappy doing the same thing over again, over again. So it'll half sort of be like that, and then the other sort of vibe will be a lot more chill, so I'll put the capo on.
Sounding fucking good, baby.
Been practicing for you.
Thanks. I'm appreciating already.
So the guitar might need to come up for this, for stuff like this, but we'll just check in. As it comes, you can hear there, it's getting like a little bit verby. Falling from our tower, and all of these stones telling stories. I see them shatter, and all of those stones, all those memories. Damage is done, and I can only watch it fall. And I hate to just give up, but look at us. I'm not an architect. I never had a plan. And you want a master builder, and that's not what I am. So Joe will sort of be a little bit happy, a little bit sad, and we'll just basically do that until the end. So